everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm here to share with you guys my CVS haul. Now one thing I'm going to tell you guys this is make sure you are using that Flues app. I used my gift card that I used for my video the other day, so I, saved even more money, which I absolutely love. But I'm here to share with you guys my awesome CVS haul. But like I said, make sure you're using that Flues app if you need to buy gift cards because you're saving more money than just paying regular out of pocket. So I'm going to tell you guys this. So I heard a rumor that, okay, I was super excited to do this deal. Okay, super excited, and it said it was a limit of 3, and I'm like, sweet. And then I found out that, like, it's a limit of 1. Oh, okay, just hear me out. So I ended up getting this one. This was $10. It was on sale for $9.99, and this was on sale for $9.99, but this was on sale for $4.99. So I was gonna get 3 and 3, especially 3 of these. Well, I had the $5 off free beauty, so I ended up going and using that one. And what I did is I just did two transactions, one with everything and then just one with this because I didn't want my free beauty to apply to like shampoo or something. So I ended up doing this way, and which is fine. I thought it was a $9 extra care buck, but it was $8, not complaining. This was, a $4 extra care buck. But when I printed my receipt, it said a limit of 1 for this one and a limit of 2 for the $10 ones. And the thing is, like, the kid that's working, it's a new person. He's only been there for like a month, but he thinks he like knows everything, and it's like I'm not at the point where I'm just not going to explain myself, the deals and everything. But I says, hey, be careful because you're going to get somebody in here that says it's a limit of 3 and somebody's going to go off on you. He's like, okay. I didn't want to even bother. I'm just not that type of person. It wasn't worth my time, to even do that. But make sure you guys are checking that out. But these are $4.99. You pay $4.99, but then you get a $4 extra care buck, making this 99 cents. I used my $5 or my free beauty up to $5, so I got this as a $4 money maker, which was a great deal. These right here are $10. You pay $10 for it, but then you get a $8 extra care buck back. Making these $2, which I'm actually pretty excited to try the Physicians Formula Plumper. I've used plumper stuff before, but these are really pretty colors, so I'm excited to use those. And then we got some like lip gloss, which I absolutely love. Oh, their lip balm. So got those. So okay, then I was super excited. I got this deal. Like, I was just double checking it because I was just like, okay, let's see what I can get. So this was $16.99. $16.99. Okay, I had a $6 off digital coupon. I had a $7 off CRT for Clean and Clear. And then I had a 3 off of 15 eye care. So I used that. So I paid 99 cents for this, which is still a great deal. 99 cents, and this is the double pack. But you get $6 back when you purchase this. So I made a $5.01 moneymaker off this alone, which I was actually excited for. I don't wear glasses. My brother does, so I usually give my brother the glass stuff. Then I got the NYX, right here, the eyeliners. These were $4.79. I had a $3 off CRT. My CRT did not work. They had to enter it in, but just giving you guys a heads up. But I paid $6.58 for both of these, but then you get a $6 extra care buck, making these just 58 cents. I got a pretty purple and a pretty teal, so I got those to use. I ended up getting the micro gold. I think they're just getting rid of these until they get rid of them, but these were $9.99. You paid $9.99 for it, but then you get a $9 extra care buck, making it 99 cents. Great deal. And then I was walking past the chocolate. Now, the funny thing is they had the candy, like this kind of candy. My bag smells like chocolate. They have this kind of candy in the back of the store instead of like where the normal candy is, but I was excited. So I was debating on doing these or the bars. Now the bars are 2 for $5, and I have a $2 off app coupon, or it was either the app or a CRT, one or the other that would work. And then there is a $1 off of 2 insert coupon. So you get them for $2 or just $1 a piece. These are 2 for $7. I used a $2 off app coupon, and I used a $2 off CRT coupon. Got these for $3. That's $1.50 each. I love the caramel ones, so I got these. I just like, oh, I want one so badly. So I got those. Just because I usually kind of give it to my husband when we're not doing Christmas this year. We're buying something big for ourselves. So, yeah. Now, here's the thing I am so excited about. So I think there's appliances coming on sale, small appliances going on sale for the Black Friday. Like usually it's like a curling iron or something. Anyways, I had a CRT that was 4 off of 16, and I'm like, man, I wanted to use it, especially for the Black Friday sale. And I'm like, I'm gonna not get it. Well, anyways, I was walking down the aisle and I saw some tags on the shelves. I saw this one. This was $27.49, okay? There was a sale that said it got $10 off, and I'm like, really? So I went and scanned it, and it was scanning $17.49. Well, I ended up using my 4 off of 16 CRT for it, so I paid $13.49 for this. But then you get a $10 extra care buck when you buy this. So this came out to be $3.49. $3.49. I did look at the reviews that they had for on Amazon. There's like 3,000 or 4,000 stars. It was almost 5 stars, so I'm like, sweet. So $3.49. I love it. I love it. I love it. You never know when you need a hairdryer. I rarely ever use my hairdryer, but I was excited for that. And I took the Black Friday ad, but I left that in my coupon thing. Okay. Now, I kind of went crazy over the 4-day sale just because I wanted to. So I ended up doing the Renews-Its. It's been a while since I've done the Renews-Its, but these were 3 for $3. But then when you buy 3, you pay for 3, you get the $1.50 off extra care box. So these were 50 cents each, which comes out a little bit cheaper than if you buy the buy 4 get 2 free with at Walgreens. So 50 cents each, can't go wrong. I use those like crazy throughout the house. I do want to let you guys know that the Halloween stuff is 90% off. There was a girl waiting to get in the door. I got this at the store right before they opened, but she was waiting there, and then by the time I kind of lollygagged in the store, her whole entire basket was filled with Halloween stuff. This is what I got last week, but this was like ringing up like 90 cents or something like that, so make sure you're scanning your stuff. I ended up just looking the other direction because I'm trying to cut back on buying things, and even though it was very tempting, I'm like, nope, I don't need it. So definitely check out your Halloween. I got this Suave shampoo. Now these were 2 for $6. There was a 2 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys would want to use, and then you pay $4 for it, but then you get a $2 extra care buck back, making these just $2. $2, $1 each. Yes. Now, I messed up royally on the mouthwash because it said 2 for $12. I'm like, oh, sweet. I got $12. I don't know what I was thinking, but these were $5.79. I thought I got $12 worth of stuff, but I was not thinking at all. So I didn't use the 2 off of 12. So anyways, I scanned this, and the green one I usually get, the digital coupon was not popping up for it. It was only the blue one. So I'm like, okay, I guess we're getting the blue one. So without that 2 off of 12, which I'm kind of sad, it came out to be $7.58, where I got $5 back in an extra care buck, making these $2.58 or $1.29. I'm like, whatever, I'm not going to go back and just have them take it off. It's just not worth it. But, you know, it's kind of sick. So I'm like, what? You know, the thing is, I can't count. Sometimes it happens. It happens. But I'm excited to get the Campbell's soup, because it is cooking season. It is time where I like to just have some soup. So I got 2 of the chicken noodles and 1 of the cream of mushroom, because I want to make some meals with cream of mushroom. So these were 3 for $3. You'd pay $3 for it, but then you get a $1 extra care buck back, making these $2 or 67 cents a piece, which is pretty much the same price. You could get them at some grocery stores. My grocery store is usually around that time. So I got that. And then I ended up getting the Kotex, which, how did I not write the math down for this? These were $1.99. They were buy one, get one 50% off. So that was, what, $2.98. But then you get $2 extra care buck, making these just 98 cents or 48 cents each if you guys want to go ahead and get those, which those are pretty small, so they're good to hide. So that was everything that I got. I mean, I only messed up on the mouthwash, and then I'm kind of disappointed in the Wet n Wild and the beauty sets. I'm hoping they fix something on Thursday. Otherwise, I will see what goes on. My total came to $19.58. I just didn't have a lot of extra care bucks. I somehow just lost a bunch of them. So I ended up using $45 of extra care bucks, but I did receive $62.50 back. I loved it when I used to have like $100 worth of extra care bucks, but now I just don't go through them like I used to, or I go through them a lot faster than before. But if you think about it, $19.59, I used $45, but I received $62.50 back. My grand total came to $20.09. $20.09. I got 22 items at 9 cents each. My best thing I got, I want to say, is the hair dryer. For $3, that's a great deal. $3 for a hair dryer. My store only had the one. They had another one, but it wasn't the $10 off. It was $27.49, but it wasn't the $10 off. They had another thing that was $59.99 with a $10 off coupon, or with the instant $10 off and then the $10 extra care bucks. So I'm like, sweet, I got it. I love it. Awesome, awesome deal. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out Flues if you guys have not checked it out, because it's an awesome app, especially right now when you can stack savings with online and you can stack this and stack that. Just want to give you guys a heads up. Again, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.